this is Paige with Prime Secured, and for today's tech tip, I will be showing you how to use the Format Painter in Microsoft Word. This tip will help you save time formatting your document, especially if you have sections that you've copied and pasted from another source. Inside Microsoft Word, you will see that I have Section 1 and the information underneath already formatted to how I want it. Section 2 is a section that I will be using the Format Painter so it matches the format of Section 1. As you can see, Section 2 has different fonts, colors, styles, and sizes. And rather than selecting the copy and individually changing them, I am going to select Section 1 and then click the Format Painter, which is a paintbrush icon you see here in your tool ribbon. By clicking the Format Painter, it is copying the entire format of Section 1. I am then going to select Section 2, and the format of Section 1 will automatically be applied. I will repeat the same steps to change the format of my paragraph and bulleted list. Using the Format Painter is that simple and can be used in any of the Microsoft products. This has been today's tech tip. Thank you for watching.